Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alexis Nicole here. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're going to be working with I Like Hair once again. They sent over this beautiful 5x5 lace closure bob wig for the summertime. This is a side part wig. It comes with beautiful tiny knots to make the natural hair, the natural wig, the natural lace look so beautiful, and it's going to fit perfect on your head. It has an elastic band, it has combs, it has detachable straps, it has attachable straps that you can make fit your head to make the wig snug. The strap is detachable and you can snug it or loosen it as much as you want to. But this wig is beautiful, guys. I love this hair so much. It is perfect for the summer. This cap, this wig fit on my head so beautifully, and like I said, once again, this is going to be a side part wig, so that we're going to make this a deep side part because that's how this wig is made to fit, almost like a lace frontal. So this was so great to work with. The hair was soft, so beautiful, and I love this wig so much. As I was getting a feel on how this wig was looking, I realized that this is a great wig for the summer. It has a different design that makes it seem as if it is a lace part wig, but it's not going to make you seem as if it's afraid of the heat. It's glueless, it's convenient, it's a quick summer first choice. So, like I said, this is going to be a deep side part wig, and as you can see right here, I was getting my part together. I found the part easily, so I want to say that it comes pre-parted, but it was easy for me to find the part, and I'm just using some of my glue stick, my wax stick, sorry, to lay the hair down. And right here, I'm just trying to figure out where I want this wig to lay, how I want it to look on my head. And once I figured that out, I'm just going in right here to kind of pluck the hairs out to kind of make that parting show more vividly, because I want to make sure that this deep side part is shown and that it looks crisp and that it looks nice. If you don't know how to do this correctly, I would say leave this part out and just use some tweezers or just use some makeup to define your part. But this works for me. I've been doing this for years, so I'm careful with it, but as you can see, it came out really nice. Right here, I'm just using my hot comb to kind of lay the hair down some more and kind of blend it in with that wax stick that we use so that we can get a seamless and flawless install. My hot comb is from Kiss. I got it from my local beauty supply, and I used it on 410 degrees, which worked perfectly for this hair to help it get super straight. This hair was easy to work with. It was super easy to work with, and I love that so much, and it's definitely like a great choice for the summer. You can wear this glueless or you can glue it down, in which I will show you in a couple clips in a second. But right here, I'm just trying to figure out how I want it to lay. We want to make sure that that hair covers up that lace parting on the other side so that we won't see it. That's why we have this lace closure to the side. And so I just went ahead and took out the parts that I knew were going to be my baby hairs, and I just twirled them and put them to the back, child. Right here, I'm just going in with my scissors, and I'm going to cut the lace off in a diagonal motion. Sometimes I'm not able to do this on camera, but I was able to put this on camera for you guys so that you can see how good this lace is and how really nice this wig is constructed to look as natural as possible on your hair. So right now, as you can see, I just went ahead and cut that lace off, and I'm just showing y'all. And even with me like not putting no makeup on yet, you can see how the lace is looking pretty good. You can also see my wig cap, so I went ahead and took that off, and right now you can just see how more natural it looks, as far as it looking more natural on my head, and just seeing my scalp and then the wig just blending in, etc. I did go in and just kind of pull some hair from the lace so that my baby hairs won't look so, like thick. I wanted mine to look kind of thin to mimic a natural hairline. I didn't want them to be too, heavy or too thick towards the front. I wanted them to look very natural. And so I went in with some scissors, cut that off, and then I'm going to cut that little sideburn that I'm going to recreate on my wig to make it look like a really nice lace frontal wig. I'm going to go in with my Got To Be Glued because this is the only thing that lays my baby hairs down, that lays my real baby hairs down. And y'all, it's the only thing that worked. So I went in the bag and I got the edge brush out that came with the wig, and I'm going to lay my baby hairs down with that. The little gift bag they give you when you get the wig is so convenient because it comes with the edge brush, it comes with the elastic band to lay your lace down, it comes with the comb, it comes with a really nice cute clip that says I like hair. And it comes with some other nice goodies that are useful when you're trying to apply and construct your wig. So that's important too as well when you're ordering from companies. You want to make sure that they give you things that you can actually use to make the wig process easier for you. So my baby hairs are laid down the way that I want them to, and I'm just going to go back in with my hot comb to kind of lay my hair down some more. We want to make sure that we are covering everything. I don't know if y'all can see right now, but the lace is given. I have not glued this hair down. I have not put any makeup on it yet. And as you can see, like, I'm putting my comb through the lace so that y'all can see that this is, or it can be, a glueless install. And it is really good for the summer because you don't want your wig sliding off. You don't want the glue showing. You don't want none of that happening. And you can make it as snug as you want to so that the lace won't fall off, or that the wig won't fall off your head. But I'm just showing y'all right here how this wig can be glueless. So I'm going to go ahead and put some makeup on this wig, and boom, y'all. Like, do y'all see the difference? If y'all don't see the difference, go ahead and rewind. But putting that makeup on this lace made it so much better. And I'm just showing y'all how natural it looks now after I put that makeup on the wig, and how more natural it looks on my head. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on because I wanted to glue down these sideburns, or my fake sideburns. So I went ahead and used my EBIN lace spray, and I used my blow dryer on the cool setting to blow dry that down. And y'all, it was looking natural before, but it's looking real natural now. Like, it's giving like it's growing out of my head, growing out of my scalp, and it looks really, really nice. However, I only glued down that one side. Y'all didn't see me glue down the other side. So you can still tell that this can be glueless, or you can glue it down. Right here, I'm just going in with my flat iron to kind of bump the end some, to kind of make the style more likable to my liking. And of course, this is a bob wig, so you kind of want to bump the ends and make them look nice. The hair was so easy to work with. I did not have a problem with flat ironing this hair at all. The hair was so soft, so flowy, so beautiful. I didn't even have to brush it or comb it for real because the hair was just naturally soft, naturally beautiful, and it was easy for me to flat iron. So we're gonna curl this bang, y'all. Like, we want this to be like a real cute 2000s like bob wig with the curls in the front. Like, we're gonna curl this hair, and we're gonna make this hair look so cute, y'all. I can't remember the last time I curled my bangs with a bob wig, but this came out so cute. My birthday was a day after this, and I absolutely loved it because I just turned 26. So this definitely gave me like grown vibes, like auntie vibes, rich auntie vibes. It took me back to the 2000s. Like, the hairstyle was so cute, and I love the fact that they asked me to curl the bangs, not only to cover up the wig and that lace on that side, but just to make it like a real cute, fun summer wig. I know the summer is coming to a close, but we still got a couple weeks, y'all. So if y'all want this wig, go ahead and check the link in the description box. All the links to this wig will be in the description box down below, so y'all can check it out if y'all want this wig. And you can actually use my code Lexus28 to get dollars off if you want this wig. But all that will be in the description box down below. Nevertheless, y'all, I'm done. Like, I'm done constructing this wig. I'm done, like, showing y'all, like, this it. Like, it was so easy for me to put this wig on. This was probably the fastest wig that I was able to apply. And as you can see right here, I glued that part down, but this side is not glued down at all. Like, I'm putting my comb through it. Like, that side, I glued it down. But then the other side, I did not glue down at all. So if you wanted to wear this wig glueless, you definitely could, and it'll still look as natural as you want it to be. Or if you wanted to glue it down, you could definitely do that as well, just for an extra layer of protection. The hair was so pretty, so flowy, and I loved it so much. I had a great time with this wig. I still have it on as we're talking right now. I ended up wearing the wig for a whole week, and I got so many compliments on it. And I actually love this wig so much. It's definitely like a great summer wig, but it definitely gives you like grown woman vibes, rich girl vibes, like just you being on your cute grown stuff for the summer. It was so flowy, so bouncy, and I love it so much. Y'all go ahead and check the links in the description box down below for everything to this wig. I hope you all enjoyed this video. That's all that I have for you all today. Thank you all so much for watching. We have reached 10,000 subscribers, so I'm so happy about that. But thank you all so much for watching. Continue to watch my videos, and I'll talk to y'all later. Love you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.